Hi explorers, and welcome to the unboxing of the Winter 2019-2020 Live the Adventure Club Gearbox.
Here's the gear you'll find inside.
First up, your gear list and the exciting winter challenges. Compete in these to win amazing prizes. Of course, your winter issue of Explorer magazine.
A dry bag backpack from Avventura Outdoors. Use this on all your water-based or rainy adventures.
Custom edition Buff Original.
A Tact Bivvy by Survival Frog. It's an emergency sleeping bag.
2 Fixin' Zips. Repair zippers on the go.
A compression sack from Avventura Outdoors.
This awesome Plaid Lumberjack tube. Oh yeah, perfect.
2 Carabiners.
Reusable Beeswax food wrap from TruEarth. The winter box is shipping now.
There are limited quantities, so subscribe today.